our Redemptress e-newsletter. I'm Deacon Steven, and I'm here to make a delicious dessert, but first I need a little bit of help. My ratatouille! And what is your name?
I'm Alexis.
Alexis is one of our youth here at St. Alphonsus in Brooklyn Center, located part of Minneapolis. So, we're here today to do what?
We're going to make a strawberry pretzel salad.
Alright, what do we have in front of us?
We have Jell-O, Cool Whip, butter, pretzels, strawberries, sugar.
Yes, how many strawberries have you eaten already? Now you can cut it. But I just want to basically get the...
Well, he just melted the butter and added sugar.
And it did do that, yes. Have you been eating more strawberries?
No.
Okay.
We're now going to mix the two ingredients. Oh.
You want to be mixing this?
No, it's fine.
Okay. We're almost there. So Alexis, we're going to need to put the 2 cups of crushed pretzels with the butter and the sugar in here. And then, can you like press it down to form a crust? So our dessert will have a pretzel crust, will be salty and sweet, and will offset the fruit very well, hopefully.
Yeah.
Do you like pretzels?
Yeah. I forgot what I was going to say.
Sit down. Alright, so we're going to take our crust out. Like I said earlier, we are in Vikings territory, so we'll have to blur this image out soon. It smells pretty good. Do you like the smell of this?
Yeah. So right now we're mixing our
We got our cream cheese. We're slowly going to add our sugar, and we're going to slowly add our Cool Whip.
sugar.
There we go. You're such a good baker.
That's a lot of whipped cream.
Here. You can do a bunch at one time. This is the middle of the afternoon. Why aren't you in school this week?
Because I got spring break.
What are you going to do fun for spring break? What are you going to do fun for spring break, Alexis?
I think I would just relax at home.
Relax at home?
Yeah.
Are you going to do anything fun with your family?
I want to go out to the pool with my family.
Yeah? What does your mom do for her job? Where does she work?
Sticky. If it's sticky and it sticks to the pan like this, that means it's ready. It might be hot for y'all, but it ain't hot for me. I'm invincible.
And you want to try to scoop that on there?
Wait, I'm initially.
Alexis, go get your mom.
Okay.
Alexis.
Yeah.
I like your apron.
Thank you.
Can you show us what it says by going... What does it say?
It's catch up with Jesus.
Let us praise him and relish him, because he loves me from my head to my toes.
Don't trust me with strawberries.
Oops.
Just to be nice to the audience, I'm going to take a picture of the most wonderful thing. Them.
Okay, so we need to cool this off.
You guys
And then when it's partially set, we'll pour it over our mixture. And then we'll let it set for another few hours, and then it's ready to go. So it's been roughly an hour or so. We've let our crust and our Cool Whipping thing cool off. And then now we're going to try to add our Jell-O that's somewhat become a little bit more thicker.
Let's hope I don't crash on this one.
Okay, here we go. Oh, jeez.
Imagine if it just.
All our hard work. All right, and now we just wait for it to set. Thank you for joining us.
Bye!
Welcome, I'm Deacon Steven. Here to feature another episode of cooking. Dang it, no, that doesn't, I don't know what, just a second.
It's fine.
I think that, you're right, I think that was a good entrance. So many dishes that can be dirty. We're definitely going to cut this one out.
Good.
Put the camera on her. I need, I was gonna say I did put sugar. Okay. I don't get the 0.5. Why is it even called 0.5?
Turn it off.
Do it.
These are blue.